Do you need to create and edit spreadsheets without installing anything? With XLS Editor online by OffiDocs, it's fast, easy, and free. Visit our website, click on the Enter button and start working in seconds. It's that easy. Start fresh or upload your files. XLS Spreadsheet supports a variety of formats like XLS and XLSX. You can even open and edit files from OpenCalc, Microsoft Excel, and LibreOffice Calc, or access files directly from your Google Drive. Create or upload files in seconds. Explore tools like formatting, formulas, and more. You have the power of a professional spreadsheet editor right in your browser. Edit data, format cells, and use formulas in record time. Edit and organize data. Easily add formulas. Style your tables effortlessly. Save and download your files in the format you need, ready to share or continue editing. With OffiDocs Excel Online, you get multiple formats of your download options. These formats include a download option as a PDF. As a result, you do not need to convert the file any further from third-party sources. With OffiDocs, editing spreadsheets is a snap. Have access to other similar apps in just a few clicks with an OffiDoc platform. Try it today and transform the way you work.